Over many southern parts of Europe, but there is some wet weather around, and not just ourselves seeing the wet weather. The eastern side of Turkey has caught a packet of rain in 3 days, well above the April average. A little bit drier right now, but still a few showers coming and going through the more southern parts of Europe. Otherwise, it's a sunny story as we move into the weekend. But some of the cities across the northern half of Europe are likely to see a scattering of showery outbreaks of rain through Saturday, hopefully drier come Sunday. For ourselves, it's the same picture. We're looking at an area of low pressure moving across the United Kingdom over the next 24 hours or so, and by the time we get to lunchtime on Sunday we'll have a ridge of high pressure, so the best day of the next 3 or 4 days. But there is a hint of some dry, bright weather eventually getting towards us, and by the time we get to the middle part of next week we could have an area of high pressure in the south, most of the action across the more northern parts of the United Kingdom. Now, it's right up in the far north. We still have a little bit of sunshine left in the north of Scotland. Otherwise, showery rain gradually spilling its way in. Some showers developing elsewhere, and a fair blanket of cloud covering a good part of the United Kingdom. Just a few holes developing here and there. Where the sunshine does pop out, we're looking at more showers developing. So whilst it may remain dry with a little bit of sunshine in places, really it's a cloudy picture with some of those showers turning out to be quite heavy at times during the course of the afternoon. 13, 14, maybe the odd 15 degrees the top temperature, cooler where we keep the rain. And then overnight tonight, we start to see that rain band push into some of the more central and southern parts of Scotland around this area of low pressure. It does begin to move into the North Sea, so we're hopefully seeing some dry conditions nudge down from the north during the course of tomorrow. Overnight temperatures 4, 5 or 6 degrees in the south. The other side of that line of rain, 0 or -1, so a touch of frost again in the north of Scotland. That's Saturday's forecast. A lot of wet weather around, but the clearer skies across the more northern parts of Scotland will slowly sink southwards, the rain band continuing its journey down to the southeast. So by the night time, Saturday night, basically most areas should be dry. But we still have, unfortunately, rather a lot of flood warnings. The Midlands has 23 right now, more rain today and a bit more tomorrow. Could make the problem even worse. Well, on to the horse racing. At Aintree today, they have a fair amount of rain right now, but hopefully by Saturday for the big race, it should be a little bit drier. We're looking at some rain in the morning and then drying up in the afternoon for the Grand National. And then the forecast into Sunday, Briggs, that ridge of high pressure I've mentioned, there it is across a good part of the United Kingdom, so probably the best day of the weekend will be Sunday, with a lot of sunshine to enjoy after an early frost, but unfortunately more rain gathering in the west to get to many areas overnight Sunday night and into Monday. Bye for now.